So, you might be wondering how to exactly fix if the support code C08a on Snapchat is actually appearing. Well, there are a few things that we could actually do here. The first things first is you want to guarantee that the Snapchat app or the app itself is fully updated. Now, on an app that is not updated can cause a lot of issues here. So, go and open up Google Play Store here, go to your search section, go to the search bar at the very top, and just type in the following. It's going to be Snapchat. Now, if you do see any update in here, go and click on update, wait for a while, and once the update is complete, you want to go and close this one and maybe restart your phone as well. Now, sometimes restarting your phone as well can help a lot, so this actually clears out any like glitches that may be retained in your phone here. Now, also, another thing that you could try doing here is you may want to clear your cache. So, cache is what we call temporary files that is stored within apps. So, sometimes clearing that can solve this issue. So, how do you do it? So, you want to go and look for Snapchat here, press and hold on it until you see this pop up. Now, you want to go and click on the eye icon or the information icon here next to the trash can icon. And in here, you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right and click on clear cache. Click on OK. Now, once you've cleared that, you want to go ahead and just basically exit this one, open up Snapchat, and see if that actually solves your issue. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.